Introduce highlight features or overview summary for ANSWK Typewriter-style keyboard with metal panel. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification, type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include: vintage style. Unique round keycaps with a floating key design and profile bring you a nostalgic feeling with the eye-catching retro aesthetic. Metal panel keyboard. Our gaming keyboard is designed with aluminum alloy panel. Cool brushed metal panel not only enhances the texture of the keyboard but also extremely improves the durability of the whole keyboard. This light-up keyboard has a water-resistant function, you don't have to worry about spilled liquids damaging it. Colorful illuminated keyboard. Rainbow color lighting, backlit modes, breathing. It can be great for playing the game at night even without light. You can also adjust the brightness of the backlit according to your preference. Light can be turned off. 104 keys ergonomic keyboard. Ergonomic design with 2 angle feet on the back of the keyboard, smooth lines, comfortable feeling, and anti-fatigue. 12 multimedia keys combinations, 19 keys non-conflict. 12 combinations of multimedia keys facilitate the operation of your work or game and improve efficiency. Wide compatibility. Compatible with Windows 10, Windows 8, Windows 7, Windows XP, Windows Vista, Mac OS and more. No driver needed, plug and play. Cautions: for the Mac system, some hotkeys are not available. Less noise. LT is not silent, but it is much quiet compared with mechanical keyboards. Caution: it is also loud when you type hard and fast. If you want to get full highlight features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe. Press the bell and select all, to get instant notifications of all future uploads.